In front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark III. In this video I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Firstly, go to Google app, More, Settings, Google Assistant and Voice Match. Make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply say, "Hey Google, call Lily."
Calling Lily. Mobile.
And that's the process how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Unfortunately, I can't do it right now because this phone does not have SIM card in it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.